Right, like people have been here before, because we're late. We're at the OutKast meet in Birmingham with Peaky Dippers and Rusty Nuts. And we've got the usual lot there, the Northwest Magnet Fishers. I can't even speak then. Look, who got with me today? Little Willow from the Slack clan. You're fishing, aren't you? Yeah. Right. Keep trying, baby. Right. Let's get doing this. Show it the camera then. Some meadow. There we go. About 5p copper up to now. Willow's had a can lid and some bits and bobs, haven't you?
Yeah.
Having a break?
Yeah.
You're quite good, well. You're quite good, well. You're quite well.
I want dinner.
You want your dinner?
Yeah.
I will give you something to eat and I'll sit down, okay? Smell you later. See my chest, but well. You go, nice little dragonfly brooch thing. There we go. Yeah. Sweet, put it down there, we'll find it again. Subscribe to these channels. I've had a seat as well. Look, see that? That thing as well. Get subbing.
What's a friend? Yeah. I do.
Not been getting much out, but scraps of scrap. But now, just pulled that out. Nice. It does say Zippo on there. Probably made it dirty, but it does say Zippo. Now, I've opened it twice to show some people. It stinks when you open it, so it's got some gas still in it, and it clicks still. It looks alright on it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put it in my bag, keep it safe, not keep opening and close it. There you go, and then let it dry out and see what can be done with that. Nice. Just pulled that out, moved up a little bit. Look at that. Nice. Cheval. Do that for my digging that. Shifting some soil. Noisy planes. Right, I'm off now. Paul Houlihan and RJ are there, fishing away. Boy, me kiss. Any sweet. Willow's here chilling, and we got Rusty Nuts, Nigel Lanford, OutKast meet. Not OutKast meet, is it? OutKast Magnet Fishing, Peaky Dippers, Sophie. Don't know who's wearing that jacket. I can't remember who's wearing that jacket now. Yeah, I think Marie and Nigel, the Silver Fox, are down there underneath that other bridge, or the other side of the bridge. So, I can't remember who else is here now. Yeah, Tracy and Alan have just scarpered up there to the locked or bridge or whatever is up there. Yeah, I've got all that, which I'm going to shift in my big bucket now. Right. Cool. And then, oh yeah, I've got that chair that I've got to sort out as well now. Yeah, and that's Spade and the Zippo. So yeah, shoveling that Zippo's alright. It's alright. Put a shovel in the scrap pile for somebody. I can't fit that in my car. But thanks for watching. Smell you later. Okay, so I've cleaned the Zippo. Sort of the lighting is a bit weird. Kind of a brassy colour. Don't know what that coating is here. like a plastic thing in it. I'll leave that anyway. Yeah. Fairly clean inside because I got that out pretty easy, just lifted out. The sugar, that wheel seized. I've sprayed it with WD-40 twice, it's not even moving, so can't fix that. The screw came out, the cotton wool pad thing came out. The cotton wool looks clean inside, it stinks, obviously like fuel, but yeah, right, so that works. Then, as I was scrubbing it, I took a picture as well so you see it at the end, but look what it says there. Got my name on it. It's destined to find me. I was destined to find it, whatever. I don't know if you can see it properly, I should be able to. That's as good as I'm cleaning it. I can see the name on that. I don't know if I've actually scrubbed the silver off it and got the brass underneath, or if I've scrubbed the brass off it and got the silver underneath. I don't know, or whatever I said. Confused. I've been scrubbing it and I don't know. Look, I don't know if I've damaged the coating on it or whatever, but I don't care. I'll send it off and it'll come back like that and fix it and use it. Cool. There you go, my name on it. That's cool. Thanks for watching. Smell you later.